disciplines, this framework, safety and timely care, patient's timely, for the purpose of remembering, I put all first three as patient. Okay? Patient safety, timely patient care. 3, patient-centered care. Only needed care. Patient-centered means only needed. Whatever is needed for a particular patient, you need to do that. You cannot do more than what is needed. You cannot do without his or her consent to the procedure or the intervention that you propose to do. Nowadays, in practice, a lot of litigation, a lot of problems are coming because of the introduction of the Consumer Protection Act, also including the medical practice. So these are very important things. It should be patient care. In fact, I attended 1 or 2 conferences only which is beneficial to the patient. I am repeating. Then comes effective result. Whatever you do, it has to be effective. How to measure that? Any treatment or any medicine, any procedure that we do, including device, implantable device or wearable device, again is centering to the first one. Therefore, it has to be effective and efficacious. In case of medicine, efficacious. So all those things that we wish to propose to do has to be therefore clinically has to go through research and innovation and accepted by the FDA or DGCI, Drug Controller General of India, or any other organization which controls this kind of activities, so that you do not do any harm or you do not use any medicine or intervention without appropriate trial and establishing its efficacy and effective result as an outcome results. All these 3 activities to promote efficient service, like institution, like TRIHMS, like All India Institute, or any institution to say, you have to be efficient. Right from the patient comes to the OPD, who will receive them, how the registration is done. It involves from that how the campus is developed, how the delivery of the services given, whether the services that you propose to do is affordable practices. All these things needs to be trained, needs to be included in the curricular development in MBBS at that level, post-graduation at that level, particular to that discipline, so that involves the efficient services. Besides this, you need also have equitable service, no gender, rich or poor, places or social status discrimination. Every patient has to be treated as patient of importance related to, so these 6 parameters are still today, they hold good. With the advances in various science and technology and communication technology, data recording, distance learning, distance telemedicine, there are so many other frameworks can be added, but these 6 basic things has to be kept in mind, which are proposed by Institute of Medical, which is known now National Academy of Medical Sciences. And another important thing is transparency and due documentation of data are very important in today's context. We need to do that.